Is this the best budget hotel in Vienna? Hampton by Hilton Vienna West review. If you're visiting Vienna and want a modern, comfortable hotel without paying luxury prices, this might be one of the best options in the city. Today, I'm taking you inside where I'm staying here at the Hampton by Hilton Vienna West. It is the Vienna City West Hampton Hotel, and it is at in Vienna, which they pronounce Wien, Wien, Austria. And I want to show you everything: the rooms, the breakfast, the location, and whether it's actually worth your money. Because this hotel is newer, affordable, and surprisingly well located. But there are a few things you need to know before you book. So let's get to it. Now, first, let's talk about the history and what makes this hotel different. The Hampton brand is part of it. It's a Hilton property, and it's designed to be their mid-range, value-focused hotel line. That means clean, modern rooms, reliable quality, and a few included perks like breakfast. Yes, my friends, and this breakfast is like no other Hampton you have ever seen. Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Hampton Inn in Vienna, Austria. So I am so excited to be here. Look at that wonderful big shower there. And we are going to open up both doors. If you had a wheelchair, you could roll right in. They do have the zero products, just like the Hamptons in the States. So this is a handicap room. Interesting artwork there. And coming on into the room, we've got kind of like a partial closet there, ironing board, and laundry bag. We have our coffee maker where we can heat our tea for our water for our tea. We have different amenities, fire and evacuation, room security, good advice, as well as help save the planet. Okay. So interesting artwork on the walls. We've got a nice little half sofa there with a little table. We have the map of Vienna and a nice cozy room. Looks like we could have had adjoining rooms, but for whatever reason we don't. This is in Celsius, so we have that set up to turn down. Beautiful television set. Nightstand, one plug, so make sure you bring your adapter with an extension cord. And we have our rooms. Not a great view here, but an interesting staircase over there. Alrighty, my friends. Well, welcome to Vienna, and we're going to show you around the rest of the hotel. This hotel, the Vienna West location, is relatively new, as I said. It's part of a wave of newer Hampton properties across Europe, which tend to feel more modern and fresh compared to older locations. And you can feel that immediately when you walk in the hotel. And hello, hello, hello. Look at our beautiful little Hampton Inn right in the center of town. My friends, Vienna, Austria, divided into 28 different sections, I think they told me. And we are in the heart of it. I believe we're in section 8. I'll verify that and get back to you. But we've got these two interesting windows here. And I'm believing these might be electronic. I'll let you know where the button is to open those. Some beautiful cushions on a little seat here with a movable table. And we have a nice king-size bed and some interesting artwork. We have just turned our air conditioner down. It does work in Celsius here. So we are looking at having a wonderful stay. And the electricity. You do need to bring your adapter. We have our 2 switches by the bed. I'm going to bet one of those are the windows, but I'm going to get back with you on that one. And we've got the 2 electric plugs over here. So perfect. We can plug in our adapters and maybe even store our suitcase there. What a nice opportunity. Now we are here for a week, my friends, so we are going to unpack, be at home, and love Vienna. So hit that subscribe button because I have so much information I am going to delight you with over the next couple of weeks. The buttons are by the front door. I'm going to show you that now, but we can completely close out the sunshine for sleeping or for just keeping this room nice and chilled. So just like all hotel rooms, you've got your smoke detectors, you've got everything you need. And let's take a look. We've got our coffee makers, our coffee glasses, our water glasses, some distant instant coffee, English breakfast, some sugar, sweet and lows, and a couple of little coffee creamers. Now look right here. We have the blinds. We can open, we can close, whichever we want to do, and the window. Woo-hoo! We can do the window and our lights. Now on the front of our drawers, I found this really delightful. Look at this. We've got the safe in the top drawer. Make sure you put your passports in there, and your instructions are going to be pretty much the same as always. We are going to put in our 3 to 6 digit code. It's not set on a 4-digit code. And then you can lock your goodies up there, hit your code, hit close to open it, just hit your code again. And we'll go through that while I'm doing it. Beautiful pulls on the drawers. And I do want to show you the bathroom. Sorry, I put my hat down. I've got the hand wash, the hand lotion. They are zero products, so we are used to those. Some interesting artwork. And we have the European toilets. Those bags there next to the sink, that's for anything other than anything you need to throw in the trash can. We have the regular shower here. We have a shower handheld and an overhead. So this is absolutely beautiful. And look, unlike the States, you know you have conditioner in that bottle. You don't have to worry about it or hit that pump. So what a nice little setup here. Looks like 2 towels, 2 hand cloths, and just like Europe, no washcloths. So we'll ask them at the front desk and I'll get a report on that for you. And we are ready to make ourselves comfortable. By our front door, we do have the master switch as we come in and the light switch. So if you want to turn everything on and just turn it off at the master switch when you go, that would be fine. We've got our little peephole cover. It's always covered here in Europe. And of course, we are in room 629. Make sure you take a picture of your key card that says 629 or of where the room number on the outside. That way you don't get yourself lost. Show you again the nightstand. So incredibly simple, but very, very functional. You've got a little cubby hole you can put your stuff under. And of course you can even use under the bed, but you don't have much strict space there and you don't want to forget things behind. And look at that beautiful light right behind the bed, just giving you that nice ambiance as long as you want it. And the iron is in the cabinet right underneath your coffee maker. So you can unpack, put them in the cabinets while you're here. Close. And I'm so excited about the breakfast here, so let me take you on down to breakfast and show you around. Where you get the water and orange juice is different, so let me show you that. And you just press your orange juice, your apple juice, your whatever juice, and it is going to come out. So let's get some water. And for the water only, you have to continuously push the button. Everything else, just push it once, it'll fill up your glass. All right, and let's see what else they have to enjoy. Cereals, nuts, more cereal choices. You have bowls, you have plates, you have glasses. We have a full cold cut section. We have the bread section. Highly recommend this cake. It's amazing. amazing. It's one of the specialties over here. It's a vanilla chocolate, very moist, very wonderful. The yogurt is wonderful. You even have fresh veggies, cottage cheese at breakfast, and of course the cold cuts. So it is a nice breakfast to take advantage of. And then, of course, you do have your American as well as your German cuisine. We have the usually baked beans. We have the eggs, some kind of proteins. And then you'll have usually boiled eggs, more cereals, fresh fruits, another juice machine. And you have your teas and your coffee. Now, your coffee machine is great. You can choose your options for your coffee. Also, several stations for making waffles. Now, this open lobby area is absolutely wonderful. Get your breakfast. You can sit anywhere on the first floor. They've got tables set up real nice. And we're going to go down in -1. They do have the restrooms and the weight room at the end of the hall here. So it's -1 for the restrooms. Just want to shout out, they are a little bit different than in the U.S. So I did want to show you the different door locks. And then, of course, the gym, the cars, garages is all on -1, and -2 is more car garage. So it is the Hampton by Hilton, and we are in Vienna West. We are right across from the metro. I'm actually standing at the metro, and you are at Langenfeldgasse on the U4 and U6 lines. This is a great place, easy transportation, easy to figure it out. I really enjoyed my stay here. You will too.